Hi guys, today we're going to learn the names of the kitchen utensils which you're going to use throughout the year. So the first, how you can see on the table, we have lots of utensils. You might know some of them, you might don't know. That's why today I'm going to tell you. The first one on my left is a rolling pin, which we use to make pastries, make some pies and so on. Then we have a wood spoon. One is flat, it's the same, but one is flat and one is more similar a spoon. We have a metal spoon or serving spoon, a whisk to make cakes or cupcakes or any type of sauces, a tong for salads, for if we're doing any cooked meat, to turn it, we grill it or we roast it. We have a lovely mashed potato, and ladle, that is a ladle, it's for sauces or soup, ladle. Then we have a can opener or tin opener to open the tins of tomato sauces, a garlic crusher, which we can crush the garlic for any other sauces or meat, a peeler, which is a potato peeler or a carrot peeler, which is very useful, and we have a grater with a different size of grating. We've got the big, the small, and medium, and between medium and small. And then we have two more, which this is the sieve. It's for the flour when we're making cake, which you're going to learn later on how to make a cake with a sieve. And a colander, which is for pasta or wash salad.